Dear students, greetings from Dr. T. Sendilmurugan, Associate Professor and Head Department of Information Technology, Kakatiya Institute of Technology and Science, Warangal. In this video lecture, we are going to discuss about switch statement in C programming. So what is switch statement? How it is working in the C programming, that we will discuss in this video lecture. Okay. So dear students, in this video lecture, it is week 4, lecture 3, classroom discussion topic 12. We are going to discuss about switch cases. Okay. So lecture outcomes. So in the particular lecture, after completion of this lecture, student will be able to write a C program to using switch case concepts. Okay. So after discussion, you are able to write the C program with the switch cases. What is switch cases? It's a switch case statement. Test the value of given variable, okay, or expression. Given variable or expression against a list of case values, and when a match is found, a block of statement associated with that case is executed. Okay, so it will take expression or value. The keyword will be used for switch is the keyword that will be used. Here it will evaluate expression or variable. So if it is true, it will match with the cases. Okay, so here we will give the values. If any case is matched, then the particular block will be executed. If the value is 1, it is matched means this block will be executed. Value 2 will be matched means this block will be executed. So according to this expression, the particular case will be executed. What syntax we have to use? Switch is the keyword. It should be used. It's a case sensitive small characters. Give the expression values. It will be open here. Then case is a keyword again. How to use this? Then value. So example, it may be case 1. Okay. Case 2. So it will execute. Case 2. It will execute some blocks. Case 3. So here, if the values are 1 means it will execute this part. If value is 2 means it will execute this part. Okay. So if you want to work all the cases means don't use the break statement. So if you want to execute this particular block only means end of the statement you have to use the break statement. If you are using the break statement, the entire switch case will be come out from the particular switch cases. Okay. If you are not using break, it will continue the next cases. Okay. So just to remind it, well, you are using the switch cases, you must use the break statement. Break statement will break these expressions, switch cases. Okay. If it is not using the break, what will be happen? It will execute the next case statement. Till getting the break, it will continuously execute. Okay. If it is not matching with this value, so here in case 1, 2, 3 I given. If in case the expression value is 5, there is no cases, no, that time it will work default cases. Okay, so default case means give input as proper. So like that I will print the statement. Then I have to use the break statement. This is the switch case statement, how we can use in the C programming. So what are the things we have to remind it? First thing, okay, first one, the expression is an integer expression or characters. It may be you can give a plus b, switch a plus b. You can write like this also. Okay, expressions you are given. So instead of that, switch a. Switch case you will get this value scanf. Okay, percentage d, comma ampersand a. So any value you will give directly it will take the value also. Even you will give the character also. Okay. So how you can give the character? Char ch. You will get the input. Okay. So scanf percentage c ampersand ch. You will get the character. Then how you will check it with the switch case? Switch, okay, ch equal to this character, okay. Then we can give this case, okay. So case plus operator. So character you can give it in the single quote, okay. So you must be use the colon. Colon should be entered with the case statement, not semicolon. Okay. Case 1 colon should be there. Case A colon should be there. So you just remind it, don't forget it. Okay. So each block you can use the break statement. I already told. Okay. The block will be exit if it is reading the break statement. If you are not given the break statement, what will be happen? It transferring the control to next blocks. Okay, next case. If all the cases are failed, it will work with the default case. It is optional. You can use default, otherwise it will go for next statement which is written in the program. Okay, statement X. How many cases you can write in your C program? Maximum 257 cases you can use. Okay, in ANSI C permits, maximum 257 cases. Case 1, case 2, case 3, case 4, like that. Maximum cases is 257. Okay. So how it is working? Again, we'll check switch cases. It will execute the expression. The expression will give some values, no? That value will be matched with this expression. Expression equal to 1, expression equal to 2. So if that it will be matched with this value means block 1 will be executed. If it is matched with value 2 means block 2 will be executed. If all the matches is not done, there is no match means default will be executed. Okay. So immediately it will comes to end, then it will execute the next statement in the programs. So example you will take. Okay. So how we can write index value a calculator. You will take the marks value divided by 10. Okay. So you will give the grade. So example case 10. So no values. Case 9 no values. Case 8. If what is the meaning of that? The values may be 10 or 9 or 8. You will give the grade is honors. Okay. If you are not given any statement means it will come for next cases. I already told. There is no break statement means it will comes to check in the next cases. So 10 there is no break. It will comes to 9. There is no break. Then it will comes to 8. It will check. Okay. So if it is there means it will print grade equal to honor. Then you will use the break statement. The next statement is 7. So it will check 7 and 6. That means above 60 and less than 70, 80. Then you will give the first division. So you can use the break statement. Okay. If the case is 5, means what is the meaning of that? Less than 60, less than 6, then above 5, second division. So you can use break. If it is not all the condition fails, then it will print directly, it's a third division. So it is not in all the cases, default cases, grade is failed. Okay, so like this we can write the switch statement. Okay. So now we will take this example as a program. What you have to do? Train charges, air timing, and buses. If all three is not there, then skip. So first we have to give the choices. If you are type A means it is the air timing. If you are typing T means it is the train timing. If you are type B means it is the bus services. Okay. So it will check get character. What it will do? Get the character and assign that character to character. It will match whatever character it is there. It will check with this. If you are given A means it will air display. This function will work. If it is B means this function will work. So we are using the break statement. Okay. So case A up to this point. Case B up to this point. Case T up to this point. If there is no air, there is no train, there is no bus means finally there is no choice. You are printing it. Okay. This is the use of switch cases. Don't forget while using this character or integer or values you can give and then you can use colon. If it is character you can use the single quotes. If it is the value means don't use the single quotes. Directly case A will give. If it is the integer value in case. Maximum you can give 257 conditions. Okay. The case labels must be unique. Okay, so that means no two labels can have same value. So 1, 2, 3, 4 like that only will give. Case 1 for addition, case 1 for subtraction. If you are given like that, it is problem. So, and end with colon should you have to check. The break statement should be for each statement. Break statement is optional. Why? If you want to consider 2, 3 cases at the same time means you can don't use the break. So if the 3 condition is over, then if you want to use break means it will come. Okay. And default label is also optional one. Why it is optional? Whenever we want all the conditions fails, then default will be there. So no need to check all the condition fails means you just leave it default. Okay. So maximum at most only one default label should be there. That is all the condition fails, so you will give only one default condition should be there. The default may be placed anywhere, but usually placed at the end. You can give case 1, case 2, case 3. In between also you can use the default. But normally we will give end of the statement. Okay. It is permitted to nest switch statements also. Okay. So again inside the switch you can use the switch. Switch within the switch is nested switch. That is also it is possible. See this program. Okay. Program to create simple calculator. So what we are doing operations we will take as the character. Character means plus or minus or asterisk or slash. It will check. So you can perform with N1 and N2. So these are the operators you can use. Then you will get the operator. You will get the two operands, two values. Then operation will be whatever input you are given here. Okay. So this input it will take us here. If you are press plus, it will go for this case. If you are press minus, it will go to this case. Like that, it will check the character what you are pressed. Accordingly, it will work. Okay. If you are not given these characters, what you have to do? Error. The operator is not correct. Okay. Within these 4 operator only will give the input. So default all 4 cases not match means simply you can print that error message. Okay. Clear? So now we are in end of this lecture. So you know how to write the switch cases, and in this outcome, so end of this lecture after the discussion of switch statement concepts, as a student should be able to perform to write a C program using switch cases, okay, switch statements. I hope you are enjoyed this video. So you understood how to use a switch statement. Now I given the same examples with you have to write the C program using switch cases. Okay, how you can give? So you can give the condition is greater than 90. Okay, how you will give case value? Case value is then you will define the case also. Okay, so input case in switch cases itself we will give the expression. Okay, the marks equal to greater than this whatever input you are given. Okay, so input value if it is greater then it will choose that particular case. The first case it will print grade. Okay, so you can try it grade S. The second case you can give grade A. Okay, like that you will give case 2. For example, case 2, case 1. Okay, so like that you will write this program. So you can use break statement. So each statement ending with semicolon, that you don't forget it. Try it this program. You come with the solution, we will discuss in the classroom. If you have doubt, you can ask in the class itself. Further doubt, you can refer the Balaguru Sami book, Programming in NCC, in chapter 5. Okay. Further, if you have doubt, you will check weekly tutorial sheet. Thank you very much for listening this video. I hope you are enjoyed this video. You are learned switch case also. If you have any doubt, please come and discuss. Thank you very much.